What the fuck's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're headed to the machine shop. We're taking our second gen dually hubs, and we're gonna get them skinned down a little bit to fit over the first gen hubs. We'll be getting up to some few things, but that's where we're starting out. So keep your sticks on the ice. Squirrels and girls, we got a fucking look at this for the shop. Another reason I love this car. Look at the shelf we got here. What a beauty. Fucking rates he's got. Old fart, ladies and gentlemen. Holy fucking hell yeah. What a fucking beauty. What a beauty, ladies and gentlemen. Keep your sticks on the ice. Hope you're ready for another episode. There she is, boys, my new parts truck. We're fucking smoking them out. You can see in there, well, it's out now, but we had this fucking mouse stuff that you'd light on fire and then it smokes them out. Alrighty, so we're just carrying on here. We're just giving her a quick touch up. We've wiped her down, wire brushed her. Gave her some little bit of brake clean there, just a fucking couple squirts. Shit's expensive now. So, yeah, keep your sticks on the ice. We're gonna get her painted. Okay, so if anybody's rebuilding their Dana 60 Kingpins, I already told you guys about the threaded rod, but what you're gonna wanna grab also, just to make your life easier, because these are full of shit, always, is a 1/2x20 NF National Fine. Just jam that in there. Give her, get your thing going here. We're just chasing all the threads real quick so that it goes together real nice, ladies and gentlemen. Sticks on the ice. Let's go. And for those of you saying, what the fuck's he doing? Look at the amount of crap coming out of here. I like my bolts to go in fucking nice and fucking smooth, not fucking... Like, look at the amount of crap in there. Canada fucking roads are all in there. Holy fuck. What a beauty! That's fucking Sebastian in 20 years in his first. Alrighty, boys, so we're picking up the Cummins. He's just getting all the stuff moved out of the way of the front of the truck right now. Oh yeah. Did you break it?
I checked it.
Did you break the cap?
No, I didn't. It was,
yeah,
it was
you
the
did.
thing.
This guy broke the cap, and now he won't admit it.
I already broke it.
Fucking
5 minutes to owning it.
fucking cocksucker hasn't even looked at it for 30 seconds, and he broke something.
I don't know. Well, good thing is, it's been rust-proof by itself. No clutch, eh?
Ah, it has clutch, it feels like.
It says no clutch. Ah, that's enough.
It has clutch. What's he fucking talking about?
That floor is gone over there.
Look at this fucking shifter here, boys. Yeah, well, we didn't buy.
It's really nice, actually. I was looking at it. Very good shape.
That's what I need. Let's see if this tailgate works. How the fuck does that work?
I don't know. We're gonna pull it up over there, or he'll show us how to use it. I have no idea. I don't know if there's a control in front.
Yeah, this right here.
Manual receiver on there.
This is the control right here.
You think so? Oh, did you think here?
Oh. What? It just shut off. They said it had no clutch. It's got a fucking... We got the fucking truck, boys. She's pretty clean. She can't shut off right now, so we're leaving her fucking... You got her parking brake on? And we're going to get some food. We're gonna leave her running. Hopefully nobody steals her. The fuck did you get, bud? Jerk chicken? Here we are, boys. We're getting her home. We're fucking about to hop on the 401, headed back to fucking Waterdown. Let's get her going, boys. Not a bad unit. Clutch works good. Fucking brakes work good. We don't got a single fucking light in the thing. So, look at the play though. Holy fucking jeez Louise. But she shifts good and she pulls good. Look at all the shit bouncing off the roof, boys. She's driving good though. Got good oil pressure too. Really good. Running good, boys. Fuck, we nearly made it home, boys. I definitely don't think that speedometer's right, because I think we're going about 100 right now, maybe. I don't know. Boys, we fucking made it. Or we nearly made it. We're not gonna push our luck. Nice and easy. Fuck, all the heating switches work and all that stuff. The lights seem to be working. We got, yeah. She ain't pretty, she's a little gritty. But they always fucking get us home, these old fucking trucks, man. I swear to God. Well, there she is, boys. We got her back to the farm here. Fuck. She nearly didn't want to come, but she came. Keep your sticks on the ice. Fucking rights, boys. Looks a lot better from back here. What do you think of that, dog? The ultimate chiller.